Hi everyone, welcome back to this Grow courseX program. So in this video, we'll demystify AI and also we'll try to understand the difference between DL, AI, ML, RL, etc. So the first thing is, what is the difference between all those things? To answer that question, if we consider AI, then AI is basically an umbrella under which different kinds of learning comes, right? So under AI, machine learning comes, and under machine learning, all other kinds of learning like deep learning, reinforcement learning, and any other different kinds of learning comes, right? So now, since we know what is the difference between all those kind of buzzwords, now we'll try to know what are the different kind of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is divided or has different types, right? But among them, we'll discuss two major types. One of them is artificial narrow intelligence and the other one is artificial general intelligence. There is one more, artificial super intelligence, but we'll try to know only these two important ones. So what is artificial narrow intelligence? Whatever examples and whatever application I have explained in the last class are artificial narrow intelligence, because the model in that kind of intelligence basically they tries to do only one single specific task, right? But in this case the model tries to do all the general tasks. The model try to mimic human being, right? They try to do whatever a human being can. They try to understand and do tasks, and they also can do intellectual tasks also. So for example, in artificial intelligence, the face recognition model, they can only recognize face, right? They cannot recognize any other animal's face or something that they cannot translate. So they don't do a general tasks. They only do one specific task, that is face recognition. And in case of recommendation, they basically do recommendation and they don't do any other stuff, all right? But in general intelligence, you do every other things. So if artificial narrow intelligence is this, the entire band is known as artificial general intelligence, all right? AGI. So the entire symphony is known as artificial general symphony, is known as artificial general intelligence, all right? So every other companies are trying to achieve this kind of intelligence, and in near future this kind of intelligence will be existing, all right? So even Google, they try to put machine learning in every other Google products, right? Not only Google, if you see every other companies, they're actually investing heavily and innovating in this field. So this field has very much a demand, and if you learn this machine learning, your opportunity will increase, right? So I hope you are motivated towards machine learning. See ya.